Hey loves, welcome to the start of a new vlog. I am about to go to the beach. I was busy running errands, so I just want to go to the beach and sit a little bit, read, and then go home and eat because I'm a bit hungry. But I just want to take advantage of the weather because the weather is quite nice today. So I want to just sit in nature, enjoy nature scenery, and read a bit, and then make my way home. I feel so cute. I feel so cute, guys. I feel so cute. You'll obviously see my OOTD, and I think you're gonna feel the same way when you see me. You'll be like, oh, Dino, you look so cute. If I can say so myself.
I'm landing on an open field, eating kimbap dipped in tteokbokki. Living is easy when I let go. Living is easy this summer and so. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Living summer life and so. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Living summer life and so. I'm waking up to quiet views, and the light glistens right on cue. I look out to an avenue, searching for the city's muse. Tall buildings color every street, and the people flutter in between. I'm glazing at reality, knowing even lovely diamonds sink. Living is easy when I let go. Living is easy this summer and so. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Living summer.
Coming here was a good idea, honestly. Coming to the beach was a good idea. I feel refreshed. I'm now making my way home. Let's go home.
And so it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Living summer life and so.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another day on this vlog. It is a Saturday and I am in the wild. I'm joking, guys, but I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. I am in Herbertsdale. I am the cheer lady for our running club members that are running today. Some of them are doing a 15 kilometer, some of them are doing a 21 kilometer. I will show you what I brought along as snacks for them. It's literally water and some energy drinks. Let me show you. So it's water. There's more water in the boot. There's oranges that are cut into pieces so it's easy for them to eat. And there's Powerade as well. I have literally put their names on the table so that I know who's who after they drank, so that I don't give someone else's drink to someone else. I mean, that is just hygiene and health precautions. Yeah, health precautions. So this is what I brought, and with me I have my water bottle and then some rusks and my coffee in here. And yeah, loves, let us sit down, enjoy our hot drinks while we wait for the guys to come and have their snacks. How are you doing? How are you doing? How is your morning? This was 35 minutes into the race, and this guy was doing a 15-kilometer, meaning he is almost done with his race. Anyway, some guys are gifted. What do we say? And this was Jakkalsvlei winery, or Jakkalsvlei sellers. Stuff came out to showcase their honey board, and they were literally giving it to runners who are interested in having it. And I feel that was a good way of encouraging and bringing the vibe to the race. Our views might be different, but that is just my view. I thought, let me just let you know what is happening, and it was nice having them at that spot and not just being alone. Hey loves, so we are in Jakkalsvlei now. We've switched things up, okay? We've switched things up. We are in Jakkalsvlei for lunch after the race, and this is me. I'll try to get a video where you can see my full outfit. It's giving winter, chilled but cute outfit. So yeah, I just wanted to catch you up. The runners ran strong. They finished fairly in great times. As I was saying, guys, I was disturbed. I was distracted over there. So, yes, the runners ran pretty good, and now we are here just to grab a bite and enjoy this beautiful day. It's nice and sunny. As you can see, I am sun kissed. Let's go eat. Hey, loves. We are now making our way home, and we had an absolutely beautiful time here in Jakkalsvlei. It's always such a blessing coming out here, and for the fact that we barely come here, every time I come here I get to really appreciate it. It is well in the afternoon. It's currently 15:27 in the afternoon, and yeah, we're going home. I will let you know when we get home. And I just wanted to say, if you are in the garden route, try out Jakkalsvlei. You will never regret it. And it's like every time we come here, the sun shows off. It's a winter day. Like, as you can see, I have layered. It's a winter day, but it's quite warm out here. So you can rock those summer outfits, and just enjoy the weather out here. So we will chat later. It's such a beautiful space. Still saying that. See you later. Passenger princess vibes, honey.
It's a Friday.
sometimes having braids on means dealing with an itched scalp. It doesn't have to be that way. Have you heard about the Braid Aid Stop Itch Soothing Hair and Scalp Spray? That is the plug. Hey loves, welcome to yet another day on this vlog. I am here to share with you what I received from my employer. What I received from my employer, YouTube, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and open it together. Some of you know that I was on a membership bootcamp, so this is a gift as they following up to see what they shared with us. Am I implementing? One of it being the most important, taking out content that is specifically for members only. You can do it in a form of really standalone content for your members, or giving your members VIP access, meaning allowing them to get a view of your blog or content a day before, 2 days before, and which is what I've been consistently doing. So I received this. I know what's inside, but I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise for you guys. So we'll open it together. Okay, okay. And love, this is me in my match. I hope I look cute because I can't see how I look like, but yeah, this is my match from YouTube. So yeah, I am grateful. I'm filled with joy. I'm thankful. I thank God for this moment. And if you have watched up until this far, I just want to say thank you. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!